Hello, I am Dr. Sandeep Patwardhan, Pediatric Orthopedic Specialist at Sancheti Institute of Orthopedics and Rehabilitation. I look after the children's department for orthopedic problems from 0 years to about 16 years. And the commonest problem that we deal with in our department is fractures happening in children. As you all know, children are very active, very sporty, and are all doing all kinds of activities which make them vulnerable to injuries. Now, children's fractures behave differently from adults because they have softer bone with higher water content, and they get incomplete fractures which are easy to heal, but if not treated well can leave deformities, stiffness and complications which they will carry into their adulthood. So it's very important that we treat children's fractures differently as compared to adult fractures. Children's fractures, 90% of them are treated by just correcting the deformity and plaster treatment. Sometimes we have to use small 1 millimeter or 2 millimeter wires to hold the pieces together, but all this is done in a closed fashion without making any cuts or open surgery under IITV or CARM control, and then we use fiberglass imported plasters so that the child is very comfortable and you don't end up with a bad deformity or stiffness. Certain special situations in children also are important to note. Children have what is called as a growing end of bone or a growth plate. Now, injuries around the growth plate and joints, if not treated accurately, can lead to shortening and deformity of limbs, thus hampering the function as they grow. So growth plate injuries have to be treated with extra care and especially with perfection. So we have minimally invasive techniques which can help us overcome these complications and lead to a satisfactory outcome. Also, some children have genetic diseases like brittle bone disease where they get repeated fractures by small injuries and they end up with deformed bones. Now these bones are very different than normal bones and have to be handled with care. They need IV infusions 2 or 3 times a year, and we have to use special telescopic rods which are also called growing rods in cases of osteogenesis imperfecta. All in all, suffice to say that children's fractures are a special category, behave differently, though most treatment is conservative and not a very big surgery, but putting them right and giving them the appropriate care is very important for a perfect outcome. Thank you very much.